In the park here. It's another. Ooh. It's another shop with us. We're at Ikea. We're getting Mikah furniture today. Tell them what we're getting for your room.
Billy bookshelves. I'm getting my bookshelves. Ikea bookshelves. I've been wanting these so badly. I see so many girls have them. And they're just so pretty. And then I'm gonna get a dresser.
A dresser? Bookshelves, dresser? Yes. Because the desk, we ordered her a desk from Amazon. Once again, it was a toddler's desk.
That was our fault because we didn't look at the dimensions. We were like,
I never look at the dimensions.
No.
Once a day in my life. And I never learned my lesson.
I should have been to this Ikea.
Hi. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. You guys seem to really love the last time we were together. I saw all the comments, so this is for y'all. I also would really like to have a Hobby Lobby, if that's okay. Do you got it in you? I need to find a picture for the dining room.
That depends
or
on
the
how
kitchen
good this goes. You know, we should have grabbed a card.
Was that a threat? Is that a threat? Because we can't put furniture in that. Remember, we have to get the furniture cart is down in the stock room.
Do we like meetings? We never come to Ikea, so we might as well use a card.
Yeah. It is very cute, actually. They slide everywhere. I'm so confused by this. I'm Confucius. I love how they make all of this look so nice. That little lounger is cool. The thing about IKEA furniture.
Mom, we can like you know our original
look at that.
clue? You know our original clue?
Yeah.
We still have it?
Wait, the game was out there?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. Rebuy?
Like the same clue. I like that version.
Well, what's wrong with the one we have?
So we're like out.
Okay, start looking at stuff. I don't know where desks are gonna be, or dressers. I know. I feel like I'm drifting, like it's Tokyo Drift. I do. Look at me. I'm not drifting very well. That's right. DK. Drift Queen. Does that hurt?
Wait. Yeah.
These are the Billy bookcases. Show them which one it is.
I don't know what this.
Wait, what's that?
You can add a bunch of things to the build. Like if you want it floor to ceiling, you can add the ceiling.
Oh wow.
You can add so you can add this to the.
Good old Billy.
See, this is the tiny.
Okay, well if we have the tag, then let's go. We don't need to stare at it. Yeah. Do you know that it's all gonna fit? Where's your desk supposed to go?
So that when I go to the grocery store, I can just put the bags open and I can just put on the
Oh, yeah.
you know?
Oh, sure.
And then check out, put it back in the bag, no waste. Oh, this is so cute.
Yeah, it will be.
Maybe I should just look at Target.
We haven't even hit the desk section yet. Look at those. They lift up.
Wow, those are two workspace. That's like if I
Then
really long. It's like unnecessarily. This one's like
that's the same one, right?
It's kind of better.
Ooh, I like the black better. I was gonna get this because I like the black, and it's $80. And we said, what did we say? We said no. We said no. We said not today. I know. See, I think Home Goods.
It's just they have it so organized.
I know.
It's very.
I do like the black I couldn't find.
Mom, it's a cake spinner.
Aww. I do like the black plates though. When we were at Home Goods, I tried to find them and they didn't have any.
I love their basic plates.
See, I don't know.
These white ones are nice because they're just like.
I don't like those. These would be so good for my water. Should I get some? I'm gonna get some, Micah. Wait, what about this size right here? I'm gonna get some of these. Oh, they have cute little ones, but this size right here. They're $3. I'll get 4 of them. Ooh, I didn't know they had robes. They're okay. Ooh, slippers. Oh, we have to measure your window today. These are pretty. Like, that is so whimsical. That is actually, like, kind of genius. Like, you could DIY this pretty easily. What the fuck?
Wait, Mom.
All right, we've secured the dresser. We've secured the 2 bookshelves, and now we're grabbing the desk. Which one did you go with? The longer one?
Yeah, the thinner but the longer one.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good idea.
I mean, if it doesn't work.
Well, it'll be cozy. You just need one.
This is my bedroom. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Now we just have to order your curtains. We'll do that when we get home.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, let's go.
No, Mom, no.
Okay.
Honey.
I'm not. I'm just trying to. This is going bad real. Go find it. Sideways?
It's how the fifth and one.
Sideways?
Don't
scratch the car.
Push it.
Realize. Why do you need such a big car? It's such a have like 80 kids. See how I feel. You do what you're doing. On top? Okay, no, just sideways. It's not gonna fit on top of the other building. Because we need this for the bigger one. Logic sometimes. There's no way of getting it on top. Just put it sideways. Next to it. No! Yes! It's not gonna fit. No, yes, it is. We have to put that on top of the lilies. Since they're lighter. It's steady. Like, you're tripping, man. Slide them up. We got a light, right? Like, you're about to get one more that was black or something. Pink. Getting this out is gonna make me cry. Wash my fingers. Wash my fingers. Oh my god, Micah, get the cart! Get the cart! Get the cart! Get the cart! I thought I was gonna hit that person's car.
Okay.
People have dash cams now. You're just gonna review that and see the shenanigans? Okay. I'm gonna get your dirty ass purse. Oy, oy, oy. Think about it. Think about it.
Grab my phone.
Okay, where are the scissors? I never know where these are. Ever.
Your scissors.
And then I got
There's scissors right here. There's scissors on this bin. There's scissors right here.
Okay, we're back from Ikea, and I wanted to show you guys some of the things that have come from Amazon. But first, the official reveal of the book that I wrote, or like the short memoir that I wrote of like the last 2 years of my life with after losing Loxy, and like how that just like triggered health issues and how it actually triggered panic, anxiety, and yeah. So anyways, I'm selling these through my Etsy shop, by the way, but I just got all the books in, so I'm gonna be signing everyone's book and packaging them, and they're coming to you guys, so FYI, they're coming. So thank you for everyone who was just so patient with me on this, but they're coming. So, and I want them to be like, you know, I want them to be perfect for you. Okay. I'm sorry. All right, this package right here, which pains me to honestly show this again.
I don't know what this stuff is either.
But this is how good this product is that I wanted to buy it again. And it is my coffee maker. So what ended up happening was when I went back to Florida by myself because we thought that one pod was gonna work and it didn't. So I had to go back to Florida. I'm out of breath. I vlogged that, by the way. So if you're not if you're not subscribed to my vlogs, I can't breathe. You wouldn't have seen that content, but I went back to Florida for a day. Like I flew in the morning, I flew back at night, and I loaded up a pod and everything. Anyways, one of the things that, as I realized, as I'm making my way back to the airport, I never packed this guy right here. And I love this thing. I freaking love this thing. This is a two-in-one. You can do the Keurig style, and then you can do the traditional carafe style. And if you watch me, you would know that I make my coffee this way, but I love this for like hot chocolate. So, yeah, let Loki out. And I love this thing. I've already said that a million times. I'll link it down below, FYI. All right, so I also got a down comforter for my master bedroom. That Decorate With Me is coming hopefully soon. Anyways, I actually got a king comforter because I have a king size bed now, but I think I needed a California king because it just looks so short. So I decided I'm gonna do 2 layers. So I went ahead and got another one. And then this I'm very excited about. I already know what this is. I think these are risers. And I got these hoping that they're gonna work. Yeah. There's nothing fancy to them. They're just these risers that you put your furniture on top of. And they can actually be different size, like different height. We decided we're gonna keep the couch in the media room upstairs. It was just way too heavy for her and I to bring it down. So my solution to that was to order another couch and leave that one up there. But, huh?
Is it my mistake?
That's okay. But, in order to see, like, you know, like there's two of my armchairs in front of the couch and the couch is behind. So in a media situation, you need the back row to be a little bit higher. So I thought I'd solve that by putting the couch pedestals on those risers. And then I ordered the same exact duvet cover that I have now. That's the king. This is the California king. So, and I'm very impressed with this quality from the one I have on now. Like I think it's like a French linen. Actually, I really don't know. I really don't know what this is. All I know is that it feels amazing sleeping on it. So I'll link that too. And then I had to get these, had to get them in white because this kitchen has, like, I'll show you guys. It has these like clear, and I wanted it to be white so that it would just look better. But I need more, you know, vertical space for my mugs, or else I'm just like losing spots that I could display. So I got these racks from Amazon. And that's it. So that's gonna be it. So while Micah eats out of the jar of pickles,
everyone does that. I'm not weird.
I didn't say you were weird. I just told them what you were doing.
It's actually a different flavor than what I usually get. This is like the dill hamburger, not the sweet ones I usually get.
Oh, nice. Mini grocery haul. And hope you guys enjoyed coming with us to Ikea. Micah, they love the last video. They love seeing you.
I'm a fan favorite. What can I say?
Okay, well, anyways, we were gonna go to Hobby Lobby. The reason why we didn't is because we hit rush hour traffic, and we're not rush hour humans.
I was hungry.
Yeah, she was hungry. So I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby a little bit later, like an hour before they close tonight, and see if I can't find the wall decor I need for the kitchen nook, which if I can get this done tonight, you guys will see the kitchen nook reveal tomorrow. And I can't wait for you guys to see it. It really is gonna set the tone and show you kind of how the rest of the house is going to look. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Say bye, Loki.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Okay.